Welcome to channel. Today I am going to show you about the automated YouTube channel that I created recently. This channel will use the information now you see on this spreadsheet and create the video, add audio, post to YouTube with title and description along with some tags. After that, this automated program I created will post the link to different social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Telegram. This whole process is fully automated. So let's get started. To test this, I have recently opened this YouTube channel, so there won't be many videos, but this is a perfect idea for automated YouTube channel. As you see, the latest video I posted on the channel is about makeup. So I am going to show you what I do to post a new video in the channel. Before that, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and give a thumbs up to this video for more wonderful tricks like this. If you want to visit automated YouTube channel, click the link in description to get there. As you can see, these are my project files. To start the script, I am going to open CMD, or Mac Linux users might say terminal, and then I will run the command python main.py. The Python is the programming language I use to build this script. The main is the main file of the project. Once script starts, you can see the progress on the terminal. The number you see, in this case 6, is the row number on the spreadsheet you saw earlier. So it is taking the information or facts from row 6 to include this in the video. The progress display the download progress of assets from the internet that will be used to create this video. The important thing is that these assets can be used for commercial purpose, meaning there won't be any problem in monetizing these videos. Now the progress bar on terminal indicates the editing process. In this process, it will add some overlay texts and most importantly the audios used in the video. These downloaded and created files will be deleted once it posts the video to YouTube so that you can run this script on a daily basis on a server with less resources. As it is printed the video generated, it will generate a thumbnail for YouTube and social media. These thumbnail will use random colors with a design I specified in the script. Now everything is ready, it will start posting to YouTube. The title, description and tags used in the video will be generated based on the information we fetched from the spreadsheet earlier. This way the title and description for each video will be unique. Now it has started posting to Telegram, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram automatically. Once all done message is printed, it will send a mail to me stating the links to all these social media posts. This script also has deleted the resource I downloaded and used, so I don't need to delete these files manually. Let's go through social media and see if it's posted. I am planning to do a video that explains how you can run this script on your PC, even if you don't know Python or anything about programming. So if you want that, tell me in the comments section with your programming skill level. This way I can create the perfect video for you. And to get notified on upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell icon on.